about the advance contract. I mean, that's just something to talk about. Not every publisher, NYU Press does not do advance contracts. California does, and different publishers do and don't. So, and an advance contract just usually means that when it's signed up, it says in the contract, we're signing this up, and perhaps not all of it, we don't have all of it in, and we want to publish it, but it's subject to further review. So you have to get it reviewed again, and it has to be approved sometimes also by the board. You need to ask the editor what is the process, and you need to understand that it's different for each place. And so, I know that so you can get that advanced contract, and then it can go out for review again, and then they can say no. So you were under contract, now you're not under contract, and that could have taken a year or two. Our process, again, we call it a regular contract. It's always subject to further review. We have reviews, we are working on it, but there's not that expectation that it may or may not get published. The expectation is it will get published. Obviously, things
but
could
you
go.
have an escape clause.
Yes,
right?
things could go horribly wrong, and that's never happened to me. But it's possible that it could. Things could, they say, okay, she seems to lost her mind. So if we had that, but that doesn't happen. But it is different, and so you do need to understand that and talk specifically about. That's always a good question for the editors. What is the process, and how long does it take? And it can be 6 months, and it can be or it can be 3 months for reviews. It can really depend.